Now, let's add, let's say we're very nitpickers. Okay, we don't like this coding style. It's not good. I want to add a rule. For example, some people like semicolons. Some people don't like it. Like I personally like it. So what should we do about it? How can we add? There's a rule for semicolon. You can look it up in the docs. Let's try here in the ESLint RC under rules. I'm going to add a property semi. I don't need quotes because there's no dash. This rule, let's see. Let's look at the docs to see what we should write here. Let's maybe the search. Make sure your version is the same as you're using in your package. Semicolon. Maybe this one. This rule enforces consistent use of semicolons. Okay, always require semicolons at the end. Okay, if you are the person that requires semicolons, you want to use always. Let's see the examples. Look, if you look here, semi, and if you write it like this, you see this is the value we should write in our rules. Error as the first value, and the second is always. And they give an example that this incorrect code here doesn't use semicolons, for example, line 10. And this is example of correct rule. If you have the always option, meaning line 10 must have a semicolon here at the end of the line of the statement. Let's try it out. I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code. So we're going to write here error, comma, always. Save that. Now I'm going to go around ESLint again. Now we're going to see, oh, some errors now because the rule is now in place. And we must have semicolon. Okay, go to index.js. Let's see. The first one is line 116. Okay, I don't have a semicolon here, so I must add. Run it again. Okay, that one is gone. Now the second, line 4. Okay, I need a semicolon here. And then finally, line 8, I need a semicolon here. There you go. If you run again, it's gone. Cool, but some people don't like semicolon. So what should they do? Well, just go to the rule, change it to another option. I think if we go to the docs again, let's find out how to reverse this to always force people to not have semicolon. We have omit last, never. There you go. This one. This is the example, incorrect, if you have a semicolon, and then the correct, no semicolon. Let's try that then. If you say never here and run ESLint, now everything that we did is now deemed to be an error. And now we would have to go, okay, now they don't want semicolons. I gotta delete every single line that has semicolon. That is 1, 4, 5, and 8. Save it. Run it again to get rid of the errors. You're gonna have some teams that enforce having it. You're gonna have some teams that enforce not having it. So, it's kind of annoying, but that's the way it is. Just follow it. The linter will complain it to. Just change it. You might find yourself out of habit having it or not having it, and you're always gonna have the linter complaining, and then you fix the problem and make the linter pass so you can go on with your life.